In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Maps not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and fix this. Maybe it's not working properly, maybe it's showing the wrong location, or you're trying to use it, maybe when you're driving or anything like that, and the arrow is messing up and it's just going all over the place. So there's two easy fixes for this. The first one is going over to your settings application, scrolling down until you find general, and then go over to iPhone storage. Now from this point, you want to locate Google Maps. So go over to show all and go ahead and press on it and then locate Google Maps. And then what we're going to do is offload the app. This is going to basically clear the cache. And if there's any bugs or issues, they should be fixed. Now, what we also want to do is go over to apps, which is at the very bottom of settings, and locate Google Maps over here as well. So we're just going to go over to G, locate Google Maps, and where it has location, you want to make sure that the precise location is given, and then allow location access to be while using the app or widgets or while using the app. You don't have to do it on always because there's no need for that. But once you do that, it should be working fine. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.